Hi, so you should have set all your starting points for your sprites. So what this means that if you were to move all of your sprites into completely different positions like I'm going to do here, just to show you that when I press the green flag, they all return back to their original. Okay, good. Now in this video we're going to look at variables and declaring a variable and then initializing a variable. It's important you try and remember these terms. Now a variable in this game is going to be a little bit of space in the computer's memory that is going to be able to hold a value. That value could be a number or it could be a letter, but in this case it's going to be a number. And first of all we need to declare the variables, and to do that what we're going to do is go into the variables tab and we're going to make a variable. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the pseudocode at this point, and I'm going to let some of you, if you would like, to actually create or declare the variables and then add them into your code. Now just to give you an idea and a bit of a clue, you must do these in the Angry Bird sprite. So make the variables and declare them. So this would be the code. When green flag is clicked, set the score variable to 0 and also set the bird's left variable to 3. So if you want to have a go at declaring those variables and initializing them now, please do so. If you're not too sure, just keep watching my video. Okay, so we'll go back into Scratch. So what we've got to do first with variables, making sure I'm on Angry Bird, I need to make them. Okay, so I'm going to declare them. So the first one we're going to make is score. And the score is going to be for all sprites, and click OK. And notice it pops up on the stage. And we're going to make another one now, and we're going to call this bird's left. Okay, and that's for this sprite only. Alright, and click OK. So we've declared them now. If you want to pause the video at this point and go and make your variables, declare your variables, please do so. And I wonder if now you could have a go at doing the pseudocode. Now you've actually made them. Can you set the score to 0 and set bird's left to 3 when the green flag is clicked? Pause and have a go at that. Okay, so what we need to do is when our green flag is clicked, we want to set two different variables that we've made, one to 0 and one to 3. So you might be in a position where you think, yep, I know how to do this now. So pause the video and set your or initialize your variables. Okay, if you're still back here just looking for a solution, or you're just checking to see what you've done. So the first one's score. Now we want to set the score to 0, so we can just type in there, but we want to set bird's left to 3. So I type that in, and then what we do is you just pop the blocks together like that. Okay, so that is declaring and initializing the variables that you're going to use in your game. So make sure please on your Angry Birds that you've done that, please.